fried king. Just crispiest cake. One among the best crispy chicken in Mangalore. Here is what's your name? Afiana is with me. So what have you ordered?
I have ordered a 20-piece combo.
20-piece combo.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a 20-piece combo for just $5.99. You will get 8 fried chicken, 6 chicken strips, and 6 chicken wings. So is this for the first time you're coming here?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see what's the result. Thank you. And what's your name?
Carmen.
Carmen. Is this for the first time? Okay, all the best. I'll wait for your review. Assalamu alaikum changare naan inda bandra fried king idai tikru malligatta nangala KFC kile tikru food nation. So first naan inga kaatra cutest burger in this world bari or cute tikru makkal bari ishta or burger ade tikru nano burger 30 rupees idile chicken mayo ikkanallo chilli cute burger looper by ningala utra makkal bari ishta pinne idondu student offer undu student combo offer adula oru burger oru roasted piece fried piece mayo cold drinks. It is just 99 rupees evening kit. So let me taste this. The nano burger cheese undu adali ella only unda. So let me taste this nano burger. Second offer. I mean, sumar offers undu. Offers undu. This second naan inga kaatinu prime burger offer. Idhula or adipoli burger. Alla cheese itto, patties or burger, mayo, sauce, regular French fries, fried chicken. Just imagine idhukku neenga ettara kodukuvaru. ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ಕೊಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನಿಂಗಳ ಕೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 199 200 ಮಲ್ಲ 199 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ನಿಂಗಳ ಕೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ನಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟ್ರೈ ದಿಸ್. ಜ್ಯೂಸಿ ಬಾಯಿ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಅವರು. நல்ல புல்பு இருக்குது புல்பு. சீஸி தான். You have to visit. The fried king you visit akaru. Malligatta KFC kile dikkiru. Kuda bantu ingalo daily bere offer ikkiru. Monday to Thursday bere offer sikkiru ade pole 10 pieces combo undu just 399 rupees for fried chicken, 2 strips, 3 wings. 599 20 pieces of combo undu 8 fried chicken, 6 strips, 6 wings. 1299 21 pieces. Adu 21 fried chicken, mayonnaise, large ketchup alla undu. Almost 30 years lipra ಮಸಾಲಾ ಈ ರೋಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮಸಾಲಾ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಪ್ಪ ಅಂಗಲು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ಲು. ಇದ್ರ ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿ ತಂದಂತುಳ್ಳಾರು ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿಟ್ಟುಳ್ಳಾರು ಕೇರಳ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲತ್ತು ಈವನ್ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿಟ್ಟುಳ್ಳಾರು. ಸೊ ನಿಂಕ್ ಆರ್ಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Fried king. Guys, how is the chicken? No, be sincere. How many did you eat?
Actually,
Made like 2 whole pieces. 8 strips and 2 like
8 strips.
yeah, he already ate.
sharing is caring.
You didn't eat it.
Yeah, the burger was very nice, worth of the price.
Okay.
And it was mini burger was very nice.
The mini burger was very nice and the burger was worth the price.
Yeah, worth the price.
Okay, we will try that. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Hope you visit again.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.